Hey, have you heard of Filmora? It's this awesome video editing app that's super beginner-friendly, but packed with powerful features. And guess what? It has an AI remover tool that lets you erase unwanted objects from your video. No pro skills needed. Let me show you how it works. Step 1. Go ahead and download and install Filmora on your phone. It's free. Once you open it, you'll see this cool feature called AI Remover right away. And if you tap the three-dot menu, you'll even see more advanced tools, but today we're keeping it simple. Now, just choose whether you want to remove an object or text from your video, and hit Try Now. Select the video you want to clean up and tap Import. Then just brush over the object you want to erase. It's kind of like painting it out. Super easy. Once you're done brushing, hit Process Now. The app will do its magic. Give it a minute or two. Oh, and if you're in a rush, no worries. You can tap View Later and let it work in the background. The process keeps going even if you leave. When it's done, tap your video, play it back, and check out the result. Like what, you see? Tap Save, and boom, the unwanted object is gone. Who knew cleaning up your video could be that easy, right? So if you've got photo bombers, random trash, or text you want to erase, Filmora's got your back. Try it out and let me know how it works for you.